I'm going to show you how to fix Ark Survival Evolved freezing, so make sure to follow my steps. Firstly, you should go to the Windows taskbar, go to any empty space, right click and select Task Manager. After that, go to the search and type in the launcher that you have the game on, which is Epic Games for example. If you do find it running, make sure to select it, right click and then select End Task. Once done, deselect everything, and for the next step you should see the CPU and memory usages. Make sure those are below 100% to prevent any error issues. So to do that, just scroll through these services and applications, and if you do find any suspicious or useless application running, make sure to simply go right click on it and then select End Task. Do that for every possible thing as much as you can do. Now close that. For the next step, go to the search and type in Device Manager. Once done, look for something called Display Adapters and open the side arrow. After that, go to your graphics card, right click and select Update Driver. Click on Search Automatically for drivers and then select Close. Now go to the Windows icon and type in Settings. Once done, go to the left menu and select Windows Update, and from here you need to make sure that you have already downloaded the latest updates. If you do have failed updates like me, just select Retry All, and if you do have stuck updates, for example the failed updates are going to be stuck again, so go to the Update History, deselect the first two. After that, go to Recovery and then select Reinstall Now, just like that. Now close that. The next step, you should go open your launcher, for example Epic Games or Steam. Once done, go to the library in the left menu, search for Ark. When you do find it, select these three dots in front or next to the name in order to this manage option to be appearing. Now select it. After that, you just need to select this verify button, and all missing or corrupted files that are responsible for the freezing issue will be automatically corrected. It will be downloading some files, don't panic for that. Once done, you just need to go to the Windows icon and then restart your computer and see if it works. If you do find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.